Edmonton's melting, and the fencing season is officially on. Today, we're tackling 3 neighboring houses simultaneously using a high-precision, zero-waste system. No cutting, no mess, just pure efficiency. Everything starts with the string line. If the landscape is done, we follow the grade. If not, we stay perfectly level. This line isn't just for straightness, it's our master guide for every single post height. We're driving galvanized steel piles 3 feet deep. In Alberta, this is the gold standard to fight frost heave. Our goal, a 5 mm tolerance. If your piles are dead on, your panels drop right in like Legos. Check out these internal brackets. They feature eccentric adjusters to ensure every post is perfectly plumb. We also use aluminum reinforced bottom rails, because a fence is only as strong as its foundation. Watch the speed, no sawing, no wasted material. When your math is right, the assembly is the easy part. We lock the top rails, snap the caps on, and just like that. 3 houses, 1 week, 0 headaches. That's the ETH-Builds way. If you want more professional contractor secrets from the north, hit that subscribe button. See you on the next job site.